This 2023 Winnebago Adventurer 34W is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Winnebago is 35 feet 6 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, Sleep 6, LP Detector, Colorado Detector, external shower, refrigerator, slideout, awning, DVD player, TV, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area. This 2023 Winnebago Adventurer 34W is built on a Ford chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.